passes by. Welcome back, everybody. I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy to have a love like that. She's unique, dream come true. And out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to me too. And it was just my dream to once again running away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination running away with me. Soon we'll be married and raise our family. Cozy lips out in the country, 2 children maybe. I'll take I can visualize it all. Would it be a dream? 'Cause to